7, rain from heaven. 8, don't be late. 9, feeling fine. 10, tent again. Wow, that was amazing, friends! You counted all the way to 10. Don't forget to come back and count with me again next time. Bye-bye! 1, jump so fun. 2, tie your shoe. 3, clap with glee. 4, dance on the floor. 5, bees come alive. 6, do magic tricks. 7,